So today I'm going to show you how to clean your N95 mask, which I think is a very good way. It's using steam. You should have all these things available to you at your home. So let's take a look and I'll show you how to do it. So now we got the water boiling. Take your device, put it down there. This is going to hold the mask up off the water. And now it's going to start steaming. First we're going to steam the inside of the mask, get that clean. Go ahead and leave it like that for 15 to 20 seconds. Its steam is going to clean it on the inside and the outside. Turn it off. Now we're going to open it. Go ahead and pull your mask out. And put it down on a nice clean surface. And let it cool off. What I have right here in this bottle is rubbing alcohol. So what we're going to do is after it cools off, we're going to go ahead and spray some of this on the mask to help make sure that it's clean. So I'm going to take the rubbing alcohol and I'm going to spray some on the front of the mask. Now, turn it over. I'm going to spray the inside. Now, we're going to let it hang and dry. Just hang your mask and let it dry.